Let's say, for example, you want to upload text directly to Arweave, or maybe within your React app, you have this sort of editor where you put Markdown or something like that, and you just want to upload that straight to Arweave from your React app. How do you do that? Let's look at how you can upload text directly from your React app using Turbo and upload that to Arweave. So again, I already have this quick UI here that is text in text, and you can upload that text. So let's try to work on that and see how you can use Turbo for that. So this is not upload folder. This is let me see. This is upload text. Just for clarity, this is upload text. And so the first thing you do, again, you create the Turbo instance. And this is going to be equal to Turbo Factory. And you always make sure you import from the web.authenticated. We also add in the signer, which is going to be our wallet, by doing new rconnect signer. And this is going to be window.arweave wallet. Okay. Now that we have our signer or our Turbo instance, we can try to create a try catch here. And again, if there is an error, you can log the error. And you can do clever stuff with that within your application, but that is way above the scope of this tutorial. So we do here const result, and it's going to be equal to await turbo.upload, right? We do turbo.upload, and this takes in, the first thing is data, and the data is going to be your text, the text that you wrote. And also the second thing we're going to add in here is data item options. Again, always add tags. I think they are very important and they are a good feature of Arweave. And these tags are going to be equal to, maybe can do name, app name, right? Another tag that I can add is probably content type if you want. And also I can put in author. I don't know. Yeah, let me put in author. Just so that you know the author of that text. Can do author. And here the author is going to be me, of course. And author is going to be equal to Murdy Kim. Let me see. Yeah, Murdy Kim. What else can I add in here? Yeah, I think that's enough. You can add as many tags as you want. There are also events that I won't cover here. I think I've already covered that in the 2 previous videos. And also, if you want to look at more events for this particular one, you can just go to docs.ar.io and you'll find that. So last thing I do here is I do console log result, just so that you can see the result that comes back. And also, when the result comes back, I'll pick the ID, take it to GraphQL, and search for that so that you can see all these tags appearing to our data. So I come back here, I write my text. I'm going to say this is a tutorial about Turbo, recorded on November, what's the date today? November 17th, 2025. And this is, by the way, going to go to Arweave, which means this data is going to be permanent. Hopefully 100 years from now, someone comes across it and the year is going to be 2125. Who knows? But let me just upload that. If I click upload, I'll need to sign the data. So I just need to pass in my password and sign the data. And boom, if we open the console, you should see the result coming back to us. Since this is it's just simple data, it's going to be a very, very fast operation. So if I click this ID and take this to GraphQL, Arweave GraphQL, you should be able to see the tags at least. So I remove this ID that I had tried earlier on, add in this, and that data should come back. You see author Murdy Kim, content type, the name is here. And also you can fetch the actual text from Arweave using this ID. I'm not going to do that. That is a bit above what I wanted to show here. And that's how easily you can add text to Arweave by just using upload and put your text under the data property or the data parameter. It could be plain text, it could be markdown, it could be, I don't know, anything you can think about. But I just wanted to show you how easy it is to do that. So yeah, that was it for this particular tutorial. See you in the next one.